Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
All right, Ash, keep your gun on him.
Do you want me to jump out?
Yeah, come out of the car.
Yes, please.
Oh, Jesus. Another one? I don't think we need two. One should be okay. Okay, here we go.
Where do you want me?
Inside the bank. Let's go. Let's
inside?
go.
Oh, God. All right, let me know when to go.
All right, hold
I'm
your
so
gun on
nervous.
him. See.
Okay.
All
All
right.
right, come back here. X.
Oh, God.
All right, X. Listen, brother.
All right.
You got this shit, okay? Listen. You got
Yep.
this. It's Breathe.
All right, I'm going to do it.
So
What
listen.
time is it?
Let me tell you one thing. When you do it, the anticipation is a little bit longer here than it is on your phone. So just get ready, okay?
All right, I'll be ready. I'll be
Got this
ready.
shit, baby.
This is for X, the greatest criminal mastermind ever. Okay.
Hell yeah.
Let's Devin. Devin. How do we do it? We just use it? Oh, man. Okay. All right, let's first try it. First try it, guys. No, God, I'm gonna throw up. Oh, God, I'm nervous. Okay. Why is that so loud? How long is this? When does it pop out? The cops are already here. Okay, just ignore them. Focus. Focus on the... Okay. Okay. Okay, here it comes. Here it is, guys. I think this is it. Okay. Okay. 2143. 2143. 2143. 2, a background color purple. 2, 1, number color yellow. 4231. 4231. 4231. 42, number color black. 4231, text color blue. 4321. 4321. 4321. 4, background color orange. 4321, shape text circle. 4231. 4231. 4231. 4, shape text triangle. 42, shape rectangle. Oh, Jesus, first try. First try, we did it. We did it, guys. We did it for X. Oh, Jesus. I can't believe we did it first try. Oh, man. Oh, Jesus. What do we do now? Do we click out? I'm not clicking anything. I'm not risking it. I'm not risking it. I can't believe it for first try. First try. What's happening? What do we click now? I'm not clicking anything. I'm not clicking anything. I'm not risking it. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it on the first try. That's crazy. I can't believe it. Guys, do we click something? I feel like I'm stuck. I'm stuck here. What do I do? What do we do, guys? You guys ever seen this? What do we do? What do we do now? My hands are shaking. Can't believe we got it. I'll thank the subs after. I'll thank the subs after. But thanks for the 100 gift subs. 5 up. That's a whole bunch of gift subs. Thanks so much. But I'll thank them later, guys. I don't want to... I can't talk. Do I push escape? Do I push unmute as escape? But I'm afraid to cancel this. Did we cancel it? I hope I didn't mess it up.
And what was the next one?
Guys, we got
Free
some...
passage? Yeah, we can organize that.
Are you good? What's wrong?
But not a problem at all.
There's
Just
some
don't go
bad
pointing any
news.
guns at officers, otherwise
Shit. What is it?
The
I'm probably
laptop's...
just gonna have to run.
The laptop's gone.
The only way it's fucking gone that fast is you.
Because I got it on the first try. We did it, guys. First try.
How?
That was for X, the greatest
How?
criminal mastermind in this city.
Jesus.
Wait, I'm holding a gas can.
Can I drink as well?
We did it for X.
Keep your hands in the air.
Understood. Understood.
We did it for X, guys.
Understood.
Oh, man, I
Understood
can't believe we
is
got it
absurd.
first try.
Very,
The money?
very,
It takes
very
5 minutes. You gotta
Very.
wait 5 minutes. Oh, we did it, guys. We
How
did
much
it.
longer do you guys need?
Fuck did you do this first try?
I don't know. I did it. It is.
Good shit.
If only X were here to see
Yeah,
it.
you guys.
Were you close at all on any of them? Or you just fucking killed
It was a little bit. Whew.
Damn, bro, what the fuck?
Whew, so
Little bit,
we just wait. We just
You're
wait now,
amazing,
right?
Bro. Yes, you wait 5 or 6 minutes, and this door will pop open.
All
and
right.
You get to use that bag that you have on your back.
I'm ready.
Brother, I'm sorry.
Oh, give me 1 second to
Alright, and what's
We
the
did
other
it,
job?
guys. We did it.
All the time you need.
Oh, my hand's actually shaking.
Why do you get all the jobs and they get to just chill out?
Whew.
Is that
Whew.
because you're a hard worker, or is it just because they're lazy?
All right. We did it, guys. We did it. We did it for him. Certified bank buster. But anyway, we should thank those subs. Let's see. Fivia,
pretty
thanks
good,
for the
actually.
100
Just
gift
started,
subs, Fivia. That's a whole bunch of gift subs.
It's not
Thanks
too
a
bad.
bunch, Fivia. I really appreciate that. That's way too generous of you. Whew. Thanks a bunch, Fivia. I really appreciate that. And Neptune, thanks for the 5 gift subs also. Neptune, it's also a bunch of gift subs. And Roblees, thanks for the 5 gift subs. Thanks for the 10 gift subs. It's also a bunch of gift subs. And San, thanks for the 5 gift subs. Whew. Oh, wait, how many? What? Anemo, thanks for the 20 gift subs, Anemo. That's a whole bunch of gift subs. Thanks a bunch, Anemo. And Suka, thanks for the 5 gift subs also. And Mick, thanks for the 5 gift subs. Tranquility, thanks for the 5 gift subs. Suki, thanks for the 5 gift subs. Cool Blue, thanks for the 5 gift subs. And Jackie, thanks for 5. Oh no. Jackie, thanks for 5 gift subs. Pizor, thanks for 5 gift subs. Colin, thanks for 10 gift. Guys, I got to talk to the cops. Thanks for the 10 gift subs, Colin. That's a whole bunch of gift subs. Auntie, thanks for 5 more gift subs. Oh God, guys, I gotta talk to the cops. But thanks for the 100 gift subs, Fivia. That's a whole bunch of gift subs. Thanks again. And Cash, thanks for 5 more gift subs, Cash. And Grizzly, thanks for 5 more gift subs. And Devilish, thanks for 10 more gifts. Guys, I actually got to talk to the cops. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna get in trouble. You guys gotta relax.
Just going on duty.
And Slay, thanks for 10 more gift subs,
the
Slay.
shift, so-
And Tiara, thanks for the subs also. Mochi, thanks for the 1,000 bits. Jezu, thanks for the
So
sub.
far, so good.
Hewitt, thanks for the 10 gift subs, Hewitt. Guys, I gotta play the game.
It's actually nice to respond to something.
Amanda,
that isn't
thanks
a
for
traffic
5 more
stop.
gift subs, Amanda. It's a whole bunch of gift subs. Thanks a bunch. Whew, guys, the only
We're
bad
driving from
thing
one side of the
is
city
we
to
weren't able to
Plato
rob
to-
it with X because we planned that so
Someone
long
catch
ago.
someone hitting a store that they were there for 30
Ooh.
seconds and left.
Oh,
I actually get to talk to someone. This is
All right.
unreal, actually.
Crazy.
all right.
Well, this guy
Pretty
is
good.
a, is a
Officer,
guy. Did you,
what's
see
your
that
name,
thing right there?
officer?
My name is Officer Davenport, the LSPD. LSPD's finest.
Yeah,
Have
he's
you heard of
awesome,
X
I'm not gonna
before?
I thought Ziggy was the fun.
Have I heard of X before? Who's that?
Mm-hmm. You don't know him? He's the greatest
No.
criminal you'll ever see. I mean,
No,
I'm
never heard of
X, the certified bank busting, high ghost rider.
Yeah. Hey, did you see that,
Sorry.
Inspector? Did you see that?
That's me.
Sorry, never heard of her.
What? No way.
Oh, damn.
Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to push the door like that. Don't want to scare you.
No,
X,
it's
what are you
fine.
doing? Jesus.
Oh, well, that's tough.
Alrighty. So,
X,
are you guys
come
good to
here.
go, are you? Or?
Oh, not yet. We're just
Not
a
yet?
bit. You showed up really early. You're pretty good at being a cop.
Well, I was actually, like literally just
No.
one street away or something. Pretty much at the
Oh,
hospital.
really? Oh,
Yeah, I was just chilling and then the alarm went off.
yeah.
Hell
Oh, it's great to
yeah.
meet you.
I'm like, oh, well, no worries. We'll just pull in here and see what's going down here.
Mm-hmm.
Hey,
I'll
X,
go
come
check
on.
the back. I'll go check
Check
the
this.
back. I don't want to hold you up too
All
long.
right, no worries. No, you're good.
Look at that, X.
Take your time. All day. I get paid by the
This
hour.
is
so
it.
This is cool.
This is it.
Do it,
Can
X.
I do
X.
it?
Hell yeah, do
Actually
it.
saved
Watch.
me on,
Wait, what
3
button
traffic
is it?
stops so
Awesome.
far, so that's good.
This is it. This is it. Come on, blue dongle, blue dongle,
My
blue
backup,
dongle.
I think
Guys,
that's
if we get a
There's
blue
no song
dongle,
about getting a blue
if we get a blue
There's no
dongle,
song about a blue dongle right now.
blue dongle, blue dongle, blue dongle, blue dongle. Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow.
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh,
red,
actually,
purple,
so
blue.
do
Red,
I.
purple,
We
blue.
might have another-
There you go.
another
Red,
one
purple, blue.
jumping on duty for the-
You guys remember that? That was
One
those
more
trains
words,
planned
one.
way back in the day. Who? Big and Chin. Thanks for the subs.
Fucking-
This is it. This is it. Come on, blue dongle, blue
You'll be
dongle.
fine in there, let's- don't
Please
worry,
give me a
we'll
blue
get you.
dongle. Please give me blue,
You
blue,
got this, you got this,
blue
you got this,
dongle,
you got
blue.
this, you got this.
blue.
on.
Blue's my favorite color. Blue's my favorite color.
Twerk for it, here we go.
What? Come on.
This man here
This
could
is
make
it.
you. Tell you what,
Oh,
this man here could
no
make
blue dongle,
dreams
but we got
come true.
What did you get actually?
He's one of
279
Fastlane's
marked
best
bills.
officers to be able
Nice. How
to
much cash you get?
line you up.
No blue
think that
dongle,
has
but
to
look,
be
we got a
like
lot
that.
of money.
Could be yours.
Like 14K.
Just need to talk
You
to this
actually
guy.
just got
Right.
14.
That
Holy
car that you
How
want
much?
could be
How
yours
much
as
is?
well, yeah.
How much is
Talk
the
to
marked
this
bills
guy.
worth?
It
279.
makes dreams come true.
No, they're 250 each when you queen them.
Oh, okay. Look, I should give some to you right now,
Oh, you steal a house?
You want to do it right now?
What, you just
We're all
pick
gonna
the
be
house
together,
up and
but
take
okay,
it
that's
with
fine.
just in case. You never know what crazy stuff
What?
might happen.
That's true.
I gave you
Okay.
150. I got
Make sure
129.
you got donuts on your, your tool belt.
Yep. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, we're ready, partner.
Hey,
Yep.
you guys,
You good to go?
There's
Okay.
no cops there.
Alright,
We're
so
out
what
of
you
here,
can do is
guys.
you
We're
can
out of
pass the
here.
jet here to
We're out of here.
your Left. I'll take care of him. You guys can jump in the vehicle. As long as you don't point any
alright.
guns at me, you're gonna be good to go.
Officer, there's one thing I need to tell you first.
Alright, what's that?
This was for X, the greatest criminal you'll ever know. Remember him.
Okay, no worries.
This is for X. Let's go. Oh wait.
Yeah, we're going.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh,
what's
sorry. I don't
happening?
drive.
Good, Letson, where was I take
We're
it
gonna
from?
wait on him. He's by himself. Yeah, bro. What's good?
Yeah, we should.
What's going on? Oh shit.
Not too many cops.
Fuck,
Only
you got
one
it
cop,
first
guys.
fucking try.
It's over. It's
I'm
over.
waiting. I'm waiting.
Bye-bye,
I'm waiting on-
Jason.
All
I'm
right, the
waiting on
escape's
Darren.
not gonna be
Never
good, but
mind.
we got the hack.
I feel bad.
Whew,
That by
yeah.
himself.
No worries. I'll
Yeah.
clear
Let's
the bank.
get. He seemed really nice. He seemed really nice.
We're gonna wait for
Should
him to
we
chase.
give
Guys,
him
this
a
is
sign?
gonna
Get
be
inside, make
too
yourself
easy
known.
of a robbery.
I know this motherfucker got it first try, and
Yeah,
I think I might have left some graffiti on
can't
the wall.
believe
I put
it.
some hat God easy on the wall, and I left it on the wall.
What?
yeah, I did.
Oh, come on. Look, he's working hard out there by himself.
I know.
I think we should go
bye,
now.
everyone. See you,
Alright,
see you in a
good.
second.
Uh,
I put graffiti
what are we
on the
wait?
wall,
We don't
hat
want the
God
cop to
easy.
have too
I'm
hard a
like, forgot
time
to-
yet.
Hey, no, you get it.
Wait, the hostage just went in the... What? The hostage just got in the car.
I am so fucking impressed. Damn.
Oh,
Like that was just easy for you. Went back
oh
there, he was just
Jesus, my
staring
hands
in
are still
space.
shaking. I'm not gonna lie. I think I have
It's
early
shit's different.
onset
It's-
carpal tunnel. Whew. Guys, my left hand is
different,
actually
right?
shaking.
Like
I'm
when,
stressed out.
When that happens, you're like, oh shit, here we go. It's time to go.
All right. This is him, Malachi. Let's give him a couple loops to give him a chance to call his buddies.
Sure.
Should we eat the donut now?
Not yet.
No,
Not
eat
till
the
we
donut as,
right
like,
before we
when I
get
t-
off.
Yeah, when I make
Yeah.
that turn.
Yep,
you eat
through
it
the
like when I
cones.
Go down a little bit. Yes.
When he turns through the cones, probably.
Remember, we have to run behind the red tanker. Remember that, guys.
Behind the red tanker. Yep, I got it. Drink water? We don't need water, guys. All right, we're okay. Let's drink the water. I'll drink
Did
water.
Lenny
Fine.
call any of you?
Yes.
Not yet, but if he's not there, we'll be in trouble.
He's
Should I call him?
call him and tell him we're just taking him on a
Yep.
little chase. We're on the way now.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. At least we don't have to drive. Guys, I don't know how X does it by himself. He hacks that thing, and then he drives off on his own when he's all like... There's no way I could... I mean, I can't drive normally. There's no way I could drive right now.
We're just going on a little chase, and we'll be there in a
Whew,
minute.
whew.
Tell him we're passing the casino right now.
What?
All right.
We're passing the casino now. Okay, I'll tell
X
him.
failed. Guys, did he fail? Did he fail? He didn't
He
fail.
said
You know
to
why?
make sure whoever has
He
the
may
cash
not have
goes
gotten the
fast.
money, but
Hey,
he
we
made
both
everyone
do.
believe
Should
in
I
him.
just give it all
And
to
I
you?
think that's
You know?
worth more than
You know?
the money
Okay.
from the bank. He didn't fail, guys. Are you kidding
Are
me?
you confident in making that jump?
I think I could do it. I'm a little stressed out right now, but
Check the glove box. You know, everything's there. Take everything. Make sure you have
take
all
everything.
the bills on you.
Malachi, are you crazy? If I slip up, it's gone.
No, I will
Just don't
fucking.
slip up.
I low-key think I should stay in the car just in case.
What?
Whatever. I'm doing
Okay.
this shit. We got this
Jesus,
shit. Just
Malachi.
Breathe. We're fine.
All right,
Ah,
this is almost it.
make sure
Alright,
the
you guys ready?
donut.
All right, we're ready. I'm eating it.
Eat.
Building here, stand by. You're gonna be jumping over the edge.
No, Jesus! All right, up the ladder. I'm going. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot. Oh, he can't even. He doesn't even have my line of sight. Oh God!
Jumping up onto
Where's Lenny? Oh God! Oh Jesus, Lenny! Oh God, Ash, hurry! Oh God, get in!
Get in the car.
Oh God! Oh Jesus! I feel bad. There was only one cop. That was a tough chase.
Great
That
job.
was.
Let's go.
Oh, there's only
Let's
one
go,
cop. I
Doctor.
feel a little tough for him, but. Oh my God, Lenny, I did it first try. I hacked it.
Well,
Oh,
Lenny,
man.
That's amazing.
I can't believe we did it. And then before I left, you know what I told the cop? I asked him if he's ever heard of X, and he shockingly said no. But I told him to remember him, the best criminal we've ever seen.
That was
Okay,
a banging.
Lenny, we
ass.
did it.
We got
We
good
did it,
loot,
Lenny.
too, Eddie. We got
That
good
was a
loot,
little
too.
too easy of an
Oh,
escape.
holy
A little
shit.
too easy of an
Oh,
escape, but
What
you know, I'm
happened,
not
Ash?
complaining.
Did you get the
Lenny.
blue donga?
No, we
No
didn't.
blue
He-
dongle,
even-
but
you know
I
how
did
to
get
song and everything.
279 marked bills.
We said 14 cash, 14,000 cash. If as long
Yep,
as you check his
14,000
wallet
cash too.
quick.
Wait,
That's
14K?
Most
Yep.
I've seen is 7.
What the fuck? $14,000
Alright.
in cash? And how much?
Is that a lot? 279
279.
marked bills.
Wait,
Divided by
what?
4?
That's nuts.
50,
That's- I mean,
Crazy.
70
That's
each.
way more than the normal amount.
70, 70, 70. 60.
Damn, that's like 90 grand in total.
Well, we can probably split it up now with everyone, right?
Yeah, good
you got 279, right?
but then you'll park.
Yep.
That's normally
I split it up
70 each, but
evenly, I
just,
think.
So you know, take 70 and just see like it should be
Alright.
70. It's
Yep.
one shy
I
of
split it up
70
for
each, so-
everybody. It's
Oh,
in the glove box. Pick it up, guys.
Oh, you
That
should-
was
no, you
too
need to take
easy.
the one extra. You know what the fuck?
Huh? What?
You did it. You should take. You only have 69 in your pocket, right?
Well, I got like all the cash.
But also, Lenny,
Um,
no, Lenny
So
doesn't
you
mean
should-
to sound
oh,
like
Lenny,
that,
you
but-
need the laptop.
Yeah.
No, laptop's
So
good.
Lenny had the Lenny
Alright.
spent the
Yeah,
10k on the laptop.
So you give
Alright.
10k to Winnie, and then we
Um,
can split the 4. Or just you. I mean,
four.
it's up to you.
Wait, what number was he? I should give him
You got
10k for the
14K cash.
laptop.
You sure you had no money on you before you went there? You know, 100%.
6.
Yeah, Lenny was gonna
Um,
say, are you sure you didn't have any money on you? Because
there's
7 to
10K, Lenny.
14 is
Um,
crazy. Are you sure?
Who the
Yep,
hell's driving
I
at
got
the beach
I
right
got
now?
14k.
What the fuck?
Well, like
Oh,
I got at
Oxymoron.
least like 12 or 13k, I think.
We need to
Either
do
way.
that again when there's more cops.
Yeah,
I know that was playing the.
Lenny was really hoping
I
for
felt a
the
little
chase.
bad for that guy. I'll be honest.
I did too.
Yeah, it's
He was so
Um,
nice though.
He was super nice.
Davenport is nice,
Listen,
he's one of
Davenport's
those.
awesome.
guys, let's go back to the apartments, change our clothes.
Yes,
we'll go.
ASAP.
I'll go leave a gift for him at the PD.
Oh, you know
That's
what,
nice.
What are you gonna
Leave
get?
just some-
You know.
There's some bag.
Look,
We'll just leave some,
Every time I rob a
maybe-
bank, I leave a sandwich at the PD after.
Ooh.